हेलो गाइस, मेडिकल एजुकेशनल नॉलेज में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम solving MCQ unit POC third fourth semester reform. So let's go ahead. Question number 1. In enantiomers, optical activity mirror image of each other should have no chiral carbon, should not have plane of symmetry. Here the right option C, should have no chiral carbon. When carbon atom is surrounded by 4 different atoms of the group is called as chiral carbon, asymmetric carbon, both, and none of the above. Here the right option both, chiral carbon and asymmetric carbon. Question number 3. How many isomers are possible for the tartaric acid? Option 1, 2, 3. Here the right option C, 3. Which of the following show internal compensation of the optical rotation? Internal compensation of the optical rotation. Option enantiomer, racemic mixture, diastereomer, या mesomer. Here the right option D, mesomer. Which of the following show external compensation of the optical rotation? The right option enantiomer, diastereomer, mesomer, racemic mixture. Here the right option racemic mixture. Option D. Which of the following is not optical active? Enantiomer, mesomer, diastereomer, or D form. Here the right option C, mesomer. Optical active is measured by option refractometer, polarizometer, tensiometer, and flame photometer. Here the right option B. Question number 8. Ordinary light can be converted into plane polarized light. Nicol prism, Kallikite, none of the above, and both. Here the right option C, both Nicol prism and Kallikite. In slide second. Question number 8. Question 9th. Dextroisomer is option rotate plane polarized light in clockwise direction, rotate plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, both, and none of the above. Here the right option A, rotate plane polarized light clockwise direction. Dextromet always left side OH group. Question 10. Which of the following show plane of symmetry? Enantiomer, diastereomer, mesomer, or racemic mixture. Here the right option C, mesoform. Which of the following group according to priority order will gain highest priority? Amine group, methyl group, hydryl group, या hydroxy group. Here the most option C, OH group. 11 C. 12th question. Which compound was selected as a standard for relative configuration? Option lactic acid, tartaric acid, glyceraldehyde, या none of the above. Here the right option B, glyceraldehyde. Question 13. On the basis of priority, if we are arrange the group and our eye moves in clockwise direction, then the configuration is assigned as D configuration, L configuration, R configuration, and S configuration. Here the right option D. Question 14. Which of the following compound can exist an enantiomer? Alpha chloropropanoic acid, beta chloropropanoic acid, isobutyric acid, या propanoic acid. Here the right option A, alpha chloropropanoic acid. 15th question. Which of the following is a chiral molecule? Option 1 chloropropane, 2 chloropropane, 1 chlorobutane, and 2 chlorobutane. Chiral means that types of carbon which no adding with same number of molecule or same number of atom. So here the right option number D, 2-chlorobutane. Question 16. Positive tartaric acid and major tartaric acid are option enantiomer, diastereomer, both, or none of the above. Here the right option, diastereomer. Slide 3rd. Question number 17. How many chiral centers are present in 1-chloro, 2-methyl, 3-bromohexane optical isomer? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the right option C, 3. Question number 18. Optical isomers that are not mirror image are called diastereomer, enantiomer, metamer, none of the above. Here the right option A, diastereomerism. Question 19. Which of the following statement is false about the enantiomer? Option are superimposable mirror image, are non-superimposable mirror image, not plane polarized light. Here the right option B, are no superimposable mirror image. Question 20. Which of the following compound will be optical active? Option lactic acid, succinic acid, both, and none of the above. Here the right option A, lactic acid. 21. Two ionic or saturated hydrocarbon have option same structure, different composition of the element, same molecular formula, have a different connect isotopes by the hydrogen. Here the right option C, same molecular formula. 22. Which of the following compound is functional group isomer of ethyl alcohol? Ethanol. Option ethanol, acetic acid, diethyl ether, dimethyl ether. Here the right option, dimethyl ether. 23. Choose the incorrect option regarding the isomer. Option, they differ in the both physical and chemical property. They have the different molecular formula. There are two types of isomerism, structural and stereoisomer, geometrical and optical isomer, two types of stereoisomer. Here the right option B, they have the different molecular formula. 24. Which of the following correct define diastereomerism? Option A, these have same magnitude but different sign of optical rotation. Sorry guys, here the question number 24, options are not given. So 24 third option are non-superimposable object mirror image relationship. These differ in all physical property. Separation is very difficult. Here the 24 right option C. These differ in all physical property. 25. Identify the chiral molecule among the following. Option isopropyl alcohol, 2-pentanol, 1-bromo-3-butene, isobutyl alcohol. Here the right option D, isobutyl alcohol. 26. Two compounds have same composition and also have the same atom structure attached to the same atoms, although with a different orientation in space. These compounds are identical, stereoisomer, positional isomer, and structural isomer. Here the right option B, stereoisomer. 27. The isomer of the substance must have option same chemical property, same molecular weight, same structure formula, same functional group. Here the right option B, same molecular formula. Compound with the same molecular formula but the different structure formula are called alkoxide, isocompound, isomerism, ortho compound. Here the right option C, isomerism. 29. A molecule is said to be chiral if it contains plane of symmetry, if it contains center of the symmetry, if it cannot be superimposed on its mirror image, if it can be superimposed on its mirror image. Here the right option C, if it cannot be superimposed on its mirror image. 30. Which of the statement is false regarding the chiral compound? Option that the plane polarized light have cis and trans isomer. Digit at enantiomer can be detected with a plane polarimeter. Here the right option B, cis and trans isomer. 31. Plane polarized light is affected by identical molecule, chiral molecule, all polymer, all polarimetric. Option 2, chiral molecule. 32. It is possible to distinguish between optical isomers. Head option by the using chemical test, by mass spectrometry, by RS spectroscopy, by the polarimetry. Here the right option D, by the polarimetry. 33. Optical isomers that are mirror image are called tautomers, diastereomers, enantiomers, and metamers. Here the right option C, enantiomer. 34. Optical isomers are the not mirror image are called diastereomerism, metamerism, enantiomerism, major compound. Here the right option A, diastereomer. 35. Enantiomers have which of the following characteristics? Option rotate ordinary light, have the same molecule melting point, are superimposable mirror image, they act with optical active molecule at the same rate. Here the right option B, have the same melting point. 36. Which of the following statement is false about the enantiomerism? Option rotate plane polarized light, are superimposable mirror image, are non-superimposable mirror image, have the same melting point. Here the right option B, are the superimposable mirror image. 37. A major compound is a chiral molecule which contains chiral carbon, contain a plane of symmetry, a center of symmetry, is optical inactive, is characterized by all of the above. Here the right option D, all of the above. 38. Which of the possible number of optical isomers for a compound containing n dissimilar asymmetric carbon atoms? Here the option N2, 2n, n plus 1, n plus 2. Right option B, 2n. When the dissimilar asymmetric होगा, then number of optical isomers 2n. 39 question. Major tartaric acid is option sometimes optical active, always optical active, sometimes optical inactive, always optical inactive. So the right option D, always optically inactive. Question number 40. Which of the following compound will be optically active? Option propanoic acid, chloropropanoic acid, 2-chloropropanoic acid, none of the above. Means optical active means they are chiral charity but non-superimposable. Here 2-chloropropanoic acid, right option C. 41. Which of the following compound will be optically active? Option succinic acid, major tartaric acid, lactic acid, and chloroacetic acid. Here the right option C, lactic acid. 42. Which of the following isomeric compounds show optically isomerism? Option 1 amino pentane, 2 amino pentane, both none of the above. The right option number B, 2 amino pentane. 43. 2-butanol is optically active because it contains an asymmetric carbon, a plane of symmetry, a hydroxy group, a center of symmetry. Here the right option A, and symmetry carbon. 44. Optical isomer is shown by N-butyl chloride, C-butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride, isobutyl chloride. Here the right option B, secondary butyl chloride. 45. Lactic acid is a molecule which shows optical isomer, the tautomeric. Both N and O the above. Here the right option A, optical isomer. 46. How many optical isomers are possible for lactic acid? Here the option 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the right option 2. 47. Which of the following represent a racemic mixture? Racemic means equal, constant, proportional solute convert added into solvent. Here options 25% R 2-butanol, 25% 2-butanol. Option 2, 25% R-butanol and 25% S-butanol. Option C, 50% R-butanol and 50% 2-butanol. Here the right option 47 C, because here the constant proportional both component. Let's go ahead. 48. Consider R and S-butanol, which physical property distinguish the two components. Option melting point, solubility in common solvent, rotation of plane chloride light, infrared spectrum. Here the right option C, rotate of plane chloride light. Then 49. Next slide. Optical active molecule which rotate plane chloride light in anti-clockwise direction. Head option levodotative, dextrodotative, L configuration and D configuration. And the right option A, levodotative. 50. If a molecule has no element of symmetry, it is said to be option A, symmetrically major compound. None of the have the right option A, asymmetrically. 51. A molecule is said to be chiral if it has 4 different atoms of the carbon, non-superimposable on its mirror image, superimposable on its mirror image. D, option both A and B. The right option both A and B. 52. Stereoisomers which have not mirror image of each other are called enantiomer, diastereomers, racemic mixture. Here the right option B, diastereomers. 53. A specific rotation is denoted by R from, S from, D from, alpha from. 53. Right option D, alpha from. A specific rotation alpha and beta. 54. A molecule is a chiral if it has plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, axis of symmetry, all of the above. Right option D, all of the above. 55. According to Chan in gold, which of the following has highest porosity? Hydroxy, hydride, methyl, and carboxylic acid. Here the right option A, hydroxy. 57. According to Chan in gold, which of the following has the highest porosity? CH, NH2, COOH, and H. Here the right option C, NH2. 58. Which of the following has the least porosity? Hydrogen, CH3, NH2, OCH3. Here the right option A, hydrogen. Question number 59. Choose the incorrect option regarding isomerism. They differ in both physical and chemical property. They have the different molecular formula. They are two types of isomerism, structure and stereoisomer. Geometrically and optical isomer are two types of stereo and isomer. Here the incorrect option. Option B. They have a different molecular formula, which is not correct because regarding isomer, molecule plus but the structure are different and pattern of arrangement different. Next, 60. Which among the following define major forms of isomer? Option major forms is optically inactive due to external compensation. The molecular of the major isomer are chiral. It can be separated into optical active enantiomer pair. It is a single compound. Here the right option, option D, it is a single compound. 61. Which among the following correctly defined diastereomerism? Option these have same magnitude but different signs of optical rotation. B. Non-superimpose object mirror image relationship. C. These differing physical property. D. Separation in very difficulty. Here the right option. Option C. The differing all physical property. 62. Identify the chiral molecule among the following: isopropyl alcohol, 2-pentanol, 1-bromo 3-butene, isobutyl alcohol. Here the right option, isobutyl alcohol. 63. Two isomeric forms of the saturated hydrocarbon have the same structure, have different composition of element, have the same molecular formula, have the different content of the isotopes of hydrogen. Here the right option, option C, have the same molecular formula. 64. How many optical active stereoisomers are possible for butane 2,3-diol? Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Here the right option, option B, 4. 65. Optical active is a property in which substance is unable to rotate the plane of polarization. Option A, true. Option B, false. Here the right option. So sorry bro, there are no option given, so I am very sorry. But 66. Select the incorrect statement from the following option. Option A, racemic modification in equimolar mixture of the dextrorotatory and levorotatory. Option B, major compound contain more than one chiral carbon center. Option C, major compound are externally compensated. Option D, racemic mixture is designed as all pair. Here the right option. Option number C, major compound are externally compensated. 67. Select the correct statement from the following option. Option, major compound possess both plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Major compound possesses either plane of symmetry. Option C, major compound does not possess either plane of center of symmetry. Option D, major compound are externally compensated for. Here the right option, option number B, major compound possess either plane of center of symmetry. 68. How many optical isomers are possible in a compound with one chiral carbon? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the right option, option C, 3. 69. The necessary condition for the showing optical activity is the chirality of the molecule whole. Option A, true. The false. Option A, true. 70. Which of the following is a not optical active compound? 1,7-dicarboxylic spirocycloate pentane, 1,3-diphenyl propionidine, major tartaric acid, glyceraldehyde. Here the right option, option number C. Then thank you those. Here the video completely, and I solved 1 to 17 in POC 3rd for semester unit number first. So next unit in coming video. Thank you.